This is a question based on the profit loss. Now consider the question. The market price of a table is rupees 1200, which is 20% above the cost price. It is sold at a discount of 10% on the market price. Find the profit percent. This question I am going to solve both by the detailed process, and also I will tell you what is the trick you have to apply so that this question can be solved in just of a second. Firstly, I am going to explain you this question in detail. What is that question and how will we proceed? Listen over here. There are three prices, that is the market price and the cost price and the sale price. Now what are these things? There's a shopkeeper who goes to Delhi. For example, who goes to Delhi and purchase, for example, a table. Okay, he purchased the table and that was the cost price for the shopkeeper. And for example, he purchased that table for 100 rupees. After that, he comes to his shop, he put the price of the table, for example, let it be 150. Okay, so this is the market price of the table assigned by the shopkeeper. But when he sold this table, there's a customer came, he wanted some discounts, and after that he sold this table, for example, for rupees 130. So ultimately you can see that there is a raise of profit percent between the cost price and the market price, and there is a discount of some rupees between the market price and sale price. Now same is the case as in the question. That means market price of the table is rupees 1200. That means this price is 1200. Okay, and which is 20% above the cost price, and we don't know what is the cost price, but this price is plus 20%. Okay, that means the cost price of table is little bit lesser than the 1200 rupees. Moreover, it is sold at a discount of 10% on the market price. But when he sold this table, he sold a little bit earlier. That means little bit less money. That means now in the detailed process, with the help of mathematical formulas, I am going to explain how will you solve this question. And please also watch in the last, और इसको लास्ट तक देखना. लास्ट में मैं अभी इसके बाद ट्रिक भी बताऊंगी कि बिना इतना कुछ करे हुए भी आप कैसे फट से निकाल सकते हो. लेकिन पहले ये देख लो, उसके बाद लास्ट में वीडियो जरूर देख लेना. प्रॉफिट परसेंट अपॉन 100 into CP when there is a profit. Now when there is loss, we use the formula 100 minus loss percent over 100 into CP. Okay. Now in this case, we have got the profit of 20%. Now this is selling price, then this is become a selling. This is cost price, then this becomes the selling price. So we put over here 1200, which is equal to 100 plus profit percent is 20 over 100 into CP. So now what is CP? CP becomes 1200 into 100 by 120. That is get cancelled and we get 1000 rupees. Okay. Now here we get 1000. Clear? Now what is the market price or selling price? Ultimately it becomes 100 minus what is the loss of, that is 10%. There's a discount of 10% given by the shopkeeper to the customer into selling price is now become 1200. Okay. So it becomes 90 over 100 into 1200. Both of that cancel. 12 nines are 108. Clear? So now ultimately this is the main cost price and this is the overall selling price. Now we have to find the profit percent of the shopkeeper. Now mathematically, how will we find the profit percent of the shopkeeper? We use the formula. Here we get selling price 1000 and cost price 1000, selling price 1080. Okay. So profit percent is selling price minus cost price over cost price into 100. So we get 1080 minus 1000 over 1000 into 100. So ultimately these 200 get cancelled and here we get 80 by 10 which is equal to 8%. So this is the whole of the mathematical process by which we can solve this question. But now I am going to tell you the trick by which you can easily get the answer within the seconds. Now the trick which we can follow, we have to find the total profit percent during this transaction. Now as we know, there's a formula x plus y plus xy by 100. So that whenever there are two successive discounts, these two we can trace as two successive discounts. So we overall get the total profit percent plus 20 plus minus 10 plus 20 into minus 10 over 100. So we get 10 minus, these two zeros get cancelled, we get minus 2, that is 8%. So within a second we can easily get the answer of 8% without doing lot of mathematical calculations. Thank you.